Hello there, it's Patricia from Pinky's World, and today I'm sharing a wee package I've made for my customers and a new team member. It contains one of these lovely blender pens which come in a pack of 3, so I've divided them all out and I want to make wee individual packages. So this was made from some retired paper just as a prototype, and I'm actually going to be using this gorgeous paper called Simply Elegant Designer Paper, and it is beautiful. It's all golds and silvers and metallic-y looking, so it's really lovely paper, and it's definitely one of my favourites at the minute for sort of autumn and elegant projects. So the stamp set that I'm going to use with the leaf with thank you is this cute wee baby one. It has the loveliest wee size of thank you, which fits perfectly for me. I'm using an old punch which is now retired. I just can't remember. Everyday Label, I think it is, so it's perfect for what I need it for, but that would be equally easy just to chop down with your cutter or hand. So those are the items we're using. Clear some space here. Where are we? Right, I'll show you inside this. It's one of those just a wee quick easy closure, but I just made it to fit one wee pen which fits in there perfectly, and you would get so many if you have a load of these to do, if you're giving them out to your customers or if you're giving them out as prizes or whatever you're doing. This would fit any kind of a pen. Now, I know these ones are fractionally longer than a regular sized pen. Yeah, they're a good bit longer, so just adjust your sizes to suit, but it will fit nice and tight, and it's nice and good for going through the post, which is the most important thing nowadays, isn't it? So you need a piece of the nice paper and decide which side you want to use. I'm going with the nice shiny side for this one. It needs to be 7 3/4 by 2.5, and you're just going to do some really simple scoring. So go on the long side and just score at 1/2 inch on both sides. So just 1/2 inch, and I'm just going to spin it. It'll all be equal. And then the long side, we're just going to go really every 1/2 inch because it's only a 1/2 inch white box. Just make sure it stays in there. So 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, and 2 inches. And you've absolutely no cutting or sticking to do. So for a project that you need quite a bit of, this is perfect. Just score all those wee lines. I'm not even going to bother doing the side cut-ins because they're so easy to do anyway. So you just want to join this one to this one, just making sure you've got everything nicely lined up with not using your bone folder. So just put a bit of glue or tape or whatever you like to use and go with that Tomboy glue. You don't have to cut into anything. You can if you really want to. Just making these quick and easy because I've a lot to make of them, so it saves me a bit of time if I can just blunder on with them. Just fold that over so you're getting all them nicely done. And I had one box opened already. Where did you go? Ugh, can't find it. I had it sitting ready to go, but it has gone without me. Now this is a new one. I'm okay. Out of one of my packets I had used. So that will slide in there perfectly. And you just want to do get your fold to the back so that these are going to be your front. Just push that down. Simply push it down. Work your way down to that. Both sides. You could, if you want to, go in and start scoring these at the start, but honestly it goes down a treat. Simple as that. Do the same with the other side. Push it down. Back as far as it'll go. Same on both sides. Back as far as it'll go. And that is your wee box made, closed and ready to go. So quick and easy. And get yourself some paper to stamp on. Now I was wondering, will I go with black or will I go with gold? I have used 2 wee stars from that same wee stamp set. It's okay wee stamp, you never would think, like, but you're always glad of wee hearts and stars, even if you're not making a baby card. There's a wee rainbow as well. It's a nice thing to have. Or a wee teddy bear. So I went with these stars, stamped them out in Daffodil Delight, and I was wondering would it tone in okay. But I'm a funny feeling it might be nicer in just black stars. But we'll get on and we'll just do this sentiment, and I'm just going to go with Memento, which is nearly done. I use so much Memento you would not believe. Shouldn't complain. It's probably a good thing. Now let's hope this is a bit of paper's wide enough. Yeah. So simply stamp that in there. If you're using your punch, make sure you've left yourself enough room to punch it out. So just line it up. And that is going to go in there. And I think these are going to have to be black. So you could stamp them out just in basic black then and run them through the die cutter. I'm not going to do that now. It just takes so long. But I do need a bit of something to stick it down with. And I want to actually raise it up the way I did there. So I'm using a strip of 3D foam. On the back, and a funny feeling I might go with something a wee bit more elegant, saying as this paper is so elegant. Where did that go? Probably a bit too low. Yep. So we'll park that in the center of my box. Again, I kept it really simple because of bulk. Really, I have to fit this into a parcel with other things, and I don't want it taking up too much room. So try and center that. And then I'm going to look for some wee. So I have my wee go-to metallic pearls, which are in gold or silver, and I think I'm actually going to go with the silver. I think there's a bit of silver popping through in the leaves, so we'll just bring it into there. So if you find those are not working for you, do that. I'm just going to pop them right on to this. And there is that package all done. I'm going to leave them out because I'm going to make a pile more in a second, but just wanted to show you how quick and easy and how different it can look. And it is a lovely gift. Any kind of pen. Pick yourself up any kind of pen if you're not sending a blender pen. I love getting pens. I have drawers full of pens. I collect them. I just love them. So a quick and easy project. No glue, or well, a wee bit of glue for your strip, but no cutting in. Just simple measurements. Go, go, go. So I hope you enjoyed that and give it a wee go, and I'll catch us all again later. Everything I used will be down below in the description, and measurements will be on the blog. So catch us all again. Bye.